Hello, so this is a tutorial for the left twist and the right twist, but with a twist. If you are knitting my Venation hat, it has lots of lovely right twists and lots of lovely left twists, but they are done with using two colours rather than one. So I thought I'd do a little tutorial just in case the written explanation isn't clear enough. You can pop here and have a look how it's done. So I'm going to show you that now. Okay, so I'm just doing the crown at the minute, but I'm going to show you on here how we do these left and right twists. So I'm going to do two left twists here and a right twist. So for the left twist, we need to, I'm going to insert our needle, see how much you can see, insert our needle into the second stitch on the needle. So we don't want this first one here, we want this one, and we're going to go into the back loop of it. And then because we've only got one stitch on the needle, we use our contrasting colour. So mine is cream. We knit that, but we leave everything on the needles. A bit high up, aren't I? And then we're going to go back into both of them again through the back loop. So we're picking up both these stitches. You want the one that you've already had, but you also want the one in front, through those, and then we knit those together with the main colour. And that's your left twist. So do that again. Go into the back loop of the second stitch on your needle, and we knit it with the contrasting colour because you're only using one single stitch. Bring that through, and then for the double stitch you go through the back loop of both those stitches, and then using your main colour you knit those together, and then you've got your two left stitches. Now for the right twist, the first thing we're going to do is go through both stitches together. So we're going to start as just normal as if to knit, but knit two together. So go through both of those in a knit two together movement with the main colour because you're knitting two stitches. Bring that through, but don't drop them off the needle like you would for knit two together. Then split them apart and go in between into the first stitch and knit that single stitch with your contrasting colour. So I'll just show you that again. I've just got to knit one here. So right twist, we go into both stitches as if to knit two together. Use your main colour because you've got two stitches on the needle, and bring through, split them apart and go through into just the first one and knit that with the contrasting colour, and that's your right twist. Okay, so one more time for each. So right twist, as if to knit two together, go into both stitches, and because you're knitting two stitches at the same time, you use your main colour, bring that through, but do not remove from the needle. Split them up and go into using just the first stitch, and because it's one stitch on your needle, use your contrasting colour and bring through. That's your right twist. And your left twist, we go into the second stitch, into the back of the second stitch, one stitch on the needle, so use the contrasting colour, bring that through, turn your needle back through and go through both stitches together and knit those together with the main colour. Okay, and there you have it. I hope that helps.